Hi, you're welcome. Okuva mu ntalo eza engineer Nkoyo n'amasannyalaze bo kati ne amudami naye yasuubudde olutalo olulala. Or you like Engineer Bernard asked a question and he was like, can you find an electric fault without a multimeter but while using a phase tester? Then engineer w'amasannyalaze abadde ku site ya engineer Nkoyo oyo ne amudami. Me, I will recommend you guys to go and read this book. It will help you to fight Zinentalo. The book is called The Art of War. The Art of War, ono omusajja yakotingamu ekigambo n'agamba, if you know the enemy and you know yourself, you need not to fear the result of 100 battles. So kyekyo. Then tudde ku kibuzo kya Engineer Bernard. Engineer Bernard, the answer is yes. A phase tester can locate several common faults, though with less precision than a multimeter. So this will bring us okwogera ku types of multimeter and their uses, plus the types of phase testers with their uses. So tugenda tandika ne eno tester jeba abamanyi abasinga gye bamanyi bagiyita neon tester, though you can call it a screwdriver tester. So this helps in confirming presence of live voltage, checking polarity, locating dead sections of a circuit. So the second type of tester, we shall tackle the non-contactor voltage tester. Abasinga, they call it the NCVT. So this helps us in quickly checking if a cable or socket of a panel is live before opening it. So that is to say, it helps us in allocating a break in a cable run behind a wall. So we shall tackle the third type of tester, which is the two-pole voltage tester. This helps us in confirming self-isolation before working on a circuit. It helps us to confirm the isolation before working on a circuit, the professional standard. That is to say, since it doesn't rely on your body as a part of the circuit. So we shall tackle the fourth type, which is the side loading voltage tester. This helps in industrial and site environment where electronic testers may be damaged and drained. That is to say, this helps us in distinguishing between a higher or lower voltage by the strength of the kick. So that is all about the tester. Let's tackle the multimeter, and the multimeter, its types and the uses. So we shall start with the analog multimeter. Abasinga gye bamanyi. This helps us in watching trends. This is an old school thingy, an old school fault tracing. It helps in checking continuity by feel. So we shall tackle the second type of multimeter, which is the digital multimeter. You can call it the DMM. So this helps us in persist voltage, current, continuity, capacitance, and often frequency, plus the temperature readings. This helps us to diagnose the exact voltage drop across load and confirming the suspect connections, actual resistance. So we shall tackle the third type of multimeter, which is called the clamp meter. Abasinga babadde ku live yejo, I think Mr. MJ yabalaze yo clamp meter. This clamp meter helps us in measuring the current draw of a running motor or inverter output current, and helps us in diagonizing an overload circuit with disconnecting without disconnecting anything. So we shall tackle the last type of multimeter, which is called the true RMS multimeter. The true RMS multimeter helps us in essentials on solar inverter installation and any site with a vibro frequency drive where an ordinary averaging meter would misread. So that is all about the multimeter and the phase tester. So olutalo mudami lwotulugadde. So Amdami, kindly go and read that book okuwangula zino entalo. Thank you.